Hey, welcome to Module 3. Glad you made it. That means you're moving along quite nicely through the course. This is going to be teaching you about proofreading, editing, and your book release. So now you want to take all these individual pages that you have created in a Google Doc or in a Word doc, and the individual chapters, you're going to put them all into one document. And then they should have already been ran through the Grammarly app to catch any punctuation and grammatical errors. And then they should have all been copied and pasted into the Hemingway app to make sure that it's more readable for the readers, that it's on a recommended 6th grade reading level. Now you're going to go through the proofreading checklist that's in the resources section of this particular lesson down below. So make sure you go complete those tasks. I told you the videos won't be that long because I want you to do more action, more work, and there's not much I need to tell you. I've already created a step-by-step for you sort of guide with all these worksheets to this complete lesson. So what you need to do is download that, follow the checklist. When you get that done, then you're ready to move on to the next lesson.